What do you think?
Is it working? And hold it.
No. Say, hi kids.
Hi kids, welcome to the show.
What are we going to do today?
Sand.
Kinetic sand?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
I'm digging Exy.
Who you got there?
Exy.
Is he going to help you? Ow! Oh my God, you got me right in the eye. It's okay, Lovey. Can you get Exy? Exy could help.
Yeah. Exy will not help us much. Exy.
You get Exy and help him. All right. Oh, nice job. Nice. All right, let's see if you can hold it all in his bucket and get it into the pool. Cool. Right. Yeah. All right, yes, exactly right. Yeah.
Come out.
You know what's going on?
Please
Dumping all the sand, isn't he?
Whoa. Whoa. I'm leaking out.
Need help?
Yeah. I'm wet. I'm digging it.
Okay, now make sure the bucket goes up like that. Okay, now put him in here. There, now can you dump?
Yeah.
You can do the dumping? Ooh, nice job.
I can do it.
Wow. Ooh.
Can you wash him?
Wash him. No, we're getting dirty on purpose. Right? Exy gets dirty. It called for half a tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 cup of sand. So I just did a lot and a lot. And then it called for some dish soap with some water.
I'm burning the sand.
So I think I need you to help me mix, Kristen. Can you get your hands dirty?
I'm dirty. I'm helping Exy get out.
Help me mix. Can you help me mix? Thank you. Awesome job. That's an awesome job. Yeah, mix it all together. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Can I have it?
Can you help? Okay, that was a lot of cornstarch and a lot of sand. Now I'm going to add some dish soap and water.
Soap is in there. That's the rest of them. Those are so many of them. And more.
Cool, thank you.
And leaking. Fly. Stop my sand.
That's alright.
Fly.
Okay, I'm adding blue. We're gonna make it blue. You ready? You gotta mix it together, okay? Mix it all together. You're doing great. Good job. Good job.
It did turn into blue. It did
Good.
turn into. It did turn into
That's so far, that's amazing.
blue.
Alright, try this. Can you pack it in here and see what happens? Pat it down. Let's see if it works. Yeah, let's try that. Good job, Kirsten. Good thinking. Okay, now turn it over. Let's see what happens.
What's it going to turn?
Let's see. Pull it up. Yeah. Let's try something else. We're gonna try borax. All right, love. I got some borax now. You don't want it to be so hot.
I did it. I did it. I did not hot anymore. It was hot.
Oh, good. Even better.
You know what she did? Look at
Oh,
this.
wow. What did you make?
I'm
I'm gonna use X-Heat.
Everyone, can I do it?
Jump it. Jump it. Excellent job.
Actually, this is going to help.
Alright. Do you think it's kinetic sand? Let's try to make a mold, okay? Let's use the same mold we used before and see if it works, alright? Here.
I'm turning it into a jump. I'm turning it. Look at this backflip.
Oh, wow.
I'm pushing it. This is a big backflip. This doesn't come out. Actually, this doesn't.
Can we try to make a mold like we did before?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if it works this time, huh? Alright, let's try. Okay,
Look at this.
I'm gonna pack it.
Look at this backflip.
Oh, cool. You know what you need is a Monster Jam so that we can put tire tracks in the mold. And off you go. I think there's one in your sand. There's 3. Ooh. Hey! It worked! Carson, it worked. I think we did it. I think we officially made kinetic sand. The borax in the water worked. All right, let's play. I got some stuff.
He's got some flat.
Want to see if it works like Play-Doh? Okay.
Awesome! Boom!
I'm at the
We're
beach.
destroying it. Run him over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He fought over again.
Yeah.
He fought over again. He's got flats.
Sand.
Let's put it in our sandbox.
Put in the sandbox.
This?
No.
Won't it end up drowning out
What about Exie over here? Looks pretty dirty.
Yeah. He's smashed all the tools.
Did you have fun?
I'm doing it. I'm having fun.
Good job. Great son.
He's got a flat.
What do you think about kinetic sand? Is it just like beach sand?
He's got the flat.
Karsten, you want to tell the kids, give you a big thumbs up?
I want to play.
All right, you play.
He's got a flat. He's got 3 flats. Wait, a bundle has flat. And the other bundle has flat. And the other one has flat. Can you make another donut?
Make him do donuts?
Yeah.
Sure. I got aftershock. We're doing donuts. Donuts, donuts, donuts. Other way, other way, other way, other way.
No.
Well, he's got to unwind.
No.
Yum, yum, yum,
No.
yum. Can we do backflips?
Yeah.
Backflips. 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 I want to make tire tracks. Ooh, cool. Make tire tracks. Wow. That's pretty neat.
I made you tire track.
Aftershock. Ready?
I sounded like I turned purple when I fell over. I fell over. Can I see you do a donut again?
So hard for me to sit there, honey.
Get there.
Sit there. Oh,
Get there. One donut.
all right. Let's sit on the sand here. Okay, ready?
These trucks are not possible. The possible, the bigger running
Aftershock. I like the tire tracks along the edge there.
What's Daddy doing, Aftershock?
Can you build a ramp? Let's make a mountain.
Oh, can I make a ramp?
Yeah, make a ramp. Whoa, 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 whoa. What a ramp. Quite a ramp there. Oh, wheelie.
Can you jump?
Let's jump.
Can you jump him?
Jump the ramp. Who's gonna win? I like the tire tracks.
I'm raining
You want to go learn about music now?
No. I bought the books. I bought the books. On down on the ball. I just forgot the bottom crash. It's gone off that. It's gone on that. This is stuck here the ramp. He's stuck on the ramp. And he touched the flat. This crashing. He's gotten so many flats. He's gotten so many flats. Can I get thumbs up?
Can I get thumbs up?
You like this channel? Please subscribe to more channels. When you click this red big button, please subscribe to more channels. Please subscribe to more channels. Passing up to always. There's so many more videos to watch. Well,